All right, so reviewing time. Remember, most sentences are going to start with son las. The only time you use es la una is when it's 12:31 until 1:30. So that 59 minutes on the clock, you will use es la una. If the minute hand is on the right side of the clock, you're going to have to add the word e, which means and then however many minutes it is after the hour up to media or half an hour. If the minute hand is on the left side, you're going to go to the next hour and subtract however many minutes from that hour it is using menos. And then at the end, you're going to add de la mañana, de la tarde, de la noche. So those are the things you got to remember. Minute hand on this side, add e. Minute hand on this side, add menos, but go to the next hour. All right. So 12 a.m. Son las 12 de la mañana, or midnight, es la medianoche. 1:15 a.m. Es la una y cuarto, or 15, pick one, de la mañana. 5:30, son las 5:30 de la tarde. 11:35 a.m. Son las 12 menos 25 de la mañana. 5 to 3, son las 3 menos 5 de la tarde. It's 1:45 a.m. Es la una menos 15 or cuarto de la mañana. 4 p.m. exactly. Son las 4 de la tarde. 20 to 7. Son las 7 menos 20 de la mañana. 10 to 1. Es la una menos 10 de la mañana. 5 after 11. Son las 11 y 5 de la noche. 3:25 a.m. Son las 3 y 25 de la mañana. 10 to 12. Son las 12 menos 10 de la mañana. 9:35. Son las 10 menos 25 de la noche. 5 to 1. Es la una menos 5 de la mañana. All right, so far we have been working with que hora es, or what time is it? And you answer son las 2, 3, 4, or es la una something, meaning it is whatever time that is. It is 3 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. However, if you add an a before the que hora es, you're asking at what time is a specific event instead of what time is it right now. So then you start with the event to answer it. So if I say a que hora es la fiesta, at what time is the party, you say la fiesta es a la if it's una, or a las if it's dos, tres, cuatro, etc., etc. So you sort of still use the same time concept, but you don't use son las or es la. You use es a la or son a la. All right, so here are certain events, and these aren't going to be anything you're going to need to know for the quiz tomorrow or on the trimester test, but they'll be used perhaps in the assignment or the practice. So desayuno is breakfast, concierto is concert, conferencia is conference, el baile is dance, la cena is dinner, el partido or el juego is the game, el almuerzo is lunch, la película is the movie, la fiesta, of course, is the party, el reunión is a reunion, and la boda is a wedding. You could also say what time is English class, la clase de inglés, or la clase de arte, or la clase de historia. Okay? All right, so here's what you need to do. So if the question is, a que hora es la clase de arte, at what time is art class? And I'm telling you it is at 9 a.m., you are going to say art class, la clase de arte, es, is, at, and then you're going to say las because it's 9 hours, so it's plural, las 9 de la mañana. So look at how the question and the answer are very similar, and I've color-coded those. A que hora son las películas? Now the difference between these two questions is I'm asking what time are the movies. So it's something that's plural, so you're going to use son this time, not es. So las películas son a las 7:05 de la noche. ¿A qué hora es el baile? What time is the dance? El baile es a las 9:15 de la noche. ¿A qué hora es el reunión? El reunión es a la 1:25 de la tarde. So on Canvas, there are questions just like this. So I want you to do this particular assignment. It's called A qué hora. Write out the answer and then translate it in English, what your answer is. So like my answer up here, el reunión es la 1:25 de la tarde, you would write the reunion is at 1:25 p.m. And you can write out number symbols. You don't have to write out 1 as O-N-E.